write each decimal number as rational fraction. What we see here that we have number 4, decimal point 6, 5, 1, 1, 1, and 1 repeats to infinity. So what we can do first, we can rewrite the given number as this is copy the beginning, which digits don't repeat. So this is 4 decimal point 65, and we can rewrite that this is 4.65 plus, and next what we have 0 decimal point 00 is our 1 plus, next will be the second one, so we have 0 decimal point 0001 plus the third one, so will be 0 decimal point 00001 and so on. And now we see that the terms of this series except the first form infinity geometric progression. The first term will be our A1, this is second term, A3, and so on. So now we can calculate the R, because we have 0, 0, 1, and next is 0, 0, 0, 1. It means that the common ratio of our geometric progression is 1/10. Let's calculate this. When we take two consecutive terms, for example, A2 over A1, what it will be? 0 decimal point 0001 over 0 decimal point 001. So this is equal 1/10. If you take third and the second term again, the ratio will be 1/10. So if the ratio is constant, for sure we have here geometric progression. And what else? Because this common ratio is 1/10, so is less than 1, we can calculate the sum of our infinity geometric progression. So let me write, because absolute value of R is less than 1, because we have here absolute value of 1/10 is equal 1/10, and this is less than 1. So we have here the series convergent. When the series convergent, we can calculate the sum from formula that S is equal A1/1 minus R. We can do this only when absolute value of R is less than 1. The series is convergent, then we can use this formula to calculate this sum. So A1 is 0.001 over 1 minus R, 1/10, 1/10. So this is equal, let me change this decimal number to fraction. This is 1/1000 over, we have 1 minus 1/10 is 9/10. Division of fractions, so we have to copy first fraction, and we change division to multiplication, and we have to flip the second in the numerator fraction, so it will be 10/9. We can reduce 0, so we have 1/100 times 9 is 900. So we have the sum of this part of our infinity geometric progression. So now, to find the sum, we cannot forget about this first number, decimal number. So we can write 4.65, 1, and so on, is equal 4.65 plus, and we have 1/900. So this is equal, we will change this decimal number to fraction, so this is equal 4, we can write plus 65/100 plus 1/900. So 4 we can left, and to add this to fraction we need to have the same denominator. So the first I will multiply times 9, numerator and denominator, so we have 4 plus 65 times 9 is 585 over we have 900 plus 1/900. So this is equal 4, and we have 586/900. This is my solution.